Hey everybody, Chris Bysted from Guarantee RV here in Junction City. People are always asking me, boy, what's a perfect little couples trailer that's really lightweight and not very big so we can just head out and go camping? Boy, I would think this one would probably be it. This is made by Coachmen. It's called the Apex Nano. It's under 5,000 pounds towing, so it's really fantastic for an SUV or a smaller truck. But I'll tell you, it's so special. I'm going to show you the inside. I think you're really going to get excited about it. What I think is really awesome about this trailer is that you have a walk-around bed right here. You've got nice shirt closets and cabinets, a window up in front, really nice bedroom space. But people are saying, you know, gosh, this little trailer's got a bed and a dinette. Where's a comfortable place to sit? Well, check it out. All you got to do is fold this up like so. And there you go, a comfortable place to sit. Isn't that great? So if it's raining outside or you just want to hang out inside and watch TV a little bit, sometimes you don't want to just spend all your time in bed, right? So here you go, really nice couch. And it's very easy, as you can see, to convert. This also drops down into a bed, so my goodness, you can sleep a few people here as well. And you can eat all four, 4 people could eat here at the dinette. You've got lots of storage space underneath. You have a really nice kitchen here, double sink, 2-burner cook stove, and a microwave convection oven. That's awesome. With a really nice mid-grade refrigerator, plenty of place for all of your food, all of your storage, pots and pans, everything that you would need. Lots of really nice cupboard space. Even got some little cupboard space over here and a little shelf that you can put items on. This is where you'd mount your TV if you like to watch TV when you camp. And check out this bathroom. Everybody says the same thing when they walk in here. They say, wow, big bathroom, nice big corner shower, and you have to look inside these cabinets because these are quite deep. Check this out. Look at all the space for storage back in here. Really nice cabinet area here. And this trailer has got some other features that I think are very noteworthy, and this is kind of a little surprise for you that yes, it does have a power awning that comes out that lights up. It does have outdoor speakers, but check this out. Not only does it have double axles, which is great, but it's got this little baby, a beautiful outdoor kitchen. Look at that. You can have your grill all ready to go, your fridge, a light, sink, everything that you need under this awning. If you can imagine your whole camp set up right in front, what a valuable asset this would be. People love these things. We've got lots of these Apex Nanos in different floor plans and everything. I'm sure we have the right one for you. Please give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878. I'd love to show one to you.